If you're a veterinarian practice owner who's looking to increase your business's profits and cash flow, I'll work with you to add 25,000 to 100,000 or more to your bottom line over the next 12 months using specialized accounting and tax strategies. Now, how can I make such a crazy results-driven offer like this? It's simple. Just look at our track record. You see, over the last 22 years, I've consulted for and worked with individuals and businesses all over the U.S., helping them to increase profits, maximize cash flow, and reduce their income tax bill. For example, my client Bree was able to simultaneously save $45,000 in taxes through our advanced tax reduction strategies. For my client Andrew, who's in his early 30s, we created a unique strategy that we used to represent him before the IRS and turned a 5-figure bill into a refund. We were also able to get thousands of dollars in penalties removed from his IRS account. That change in his finances allowed him to finally start maximizing his retirement, and he's now well on his way to being able to retire at a reasonable age. It's not just all tax savings either. Take my client Sarah. We worked with her to implement advanced cash management and cash flow forecasting systems for her business. As a result, she was able to significantly streamline her financial operations, reduce overhead expenses, and increase overall profitability. With our custom designed financial strategies, Sarah's business increased its cash flow by 40% within the first year alone. We also saved her hundreds of hours over the course of a year and allowed her to concentrate on building her business instead of spending her time working on tasks she had no interest in, so that she could spend more time with her growing family. Now, if that's all you needed to hear and you're like, okay, I know this works and I want to see how it'll work for my business, click the button below to book a call. You'll hop on a call with me personally. I'll walk you through how this works at no cost to you. If you'd like to work together to implement the strategies we go over, we can talk about what that might look like and see if it might be a good fit. But there's no obligation whatsoever. Worst case scenario, you'll have peace of mind knowing you're not leaving money on the table in your business. And by the way, if you want to know more about how and why this works so well, there are 3 key steps we take each of our clients that we work with through. The first step is increasing your practice's profitability. We'll start by taking a comprehensive profitability assessment. We'll analyze your revenue streams, service costs, overhead, business expenses, and billing processes to identify opportunities to improve your bottom line. This generally includes adjusting fee schedules, renegotiating vendor contracts, cutting unnecessary spending, optimizing staffing, and ensuring you get every dollar you're owed. More money in your pocket means more freedom, a more fulfilling lifestyle, and the ability to invest in what truly matters to you. That's the first step to leveraging your business to create lasting financial success. So while profit is great, it doesn't equal cash in the bank. So the second step we take each of our clients through is conducting a thorough cash flow analysis. This will identify ways to accelerate incoming payments and deposits while strategically managing outgoing costs. We'll optimize billing and collection processes and implement automation to speed up payment cycles. We'll also establish policies to improve receivables management and prevent late and missed payments. With improved cash flow, you'll be able to pay yourself more and have increased capital to reinvest in growth. Accelerating your cash flow is the second step. Once your profitability and cash flow are optimized, the third step is to legally minimize your tax obligations. We'll look for every tax deduction, credit, and accounting method available to reduce your taxable income. This includes maximizing depreciation, taking advantage of entity structuring options, and utilizing retirement planning strategies that allow you to pay yourself instead of paying Uncle Sam. We'll also implement income tax planning early in the year to minimize the liability for the upcoming tax season. Reduced tax liability means more money for building your practice or advancing personal financial goals, such as investing in real estate or putting kids through college. Those are the 3 key steps we take each of our clients through: increasing your profitability, maximizing your cash flow, and reducing your tax bill. So if you want to increase your practice's profitability, maximize your cash flow, and reduce your income tax liability, click the button below to book a call with me. On this call, I'll analyze your business's entity structure, accounting systems, and tax strategy to make sure you're maximizing your veterinary practice's profits and cash flow while minimizing taxes and risk. I'll also show you how we can work together to add 25,000 to 100,000 or more to your bottom line over the next 12 months using these specialized accounting and tax strategies. Best case scenario, I help you identify opportunities to build a business that gives you the income and lifestyle you want. Worst case scenario, you'll walk away with all the insights and advice from our call and be able to implement the strategies we develop on your own. So click below, schedule a call, and we'll see if this might work for you. I'm Cassie Sykes, EA, and let's talk soon.